Hey guys, what's up? Sorry in advance for the whirring in the background. The audio is recorded through my laptop, and I can't seem to get this mic working, which makes me a fraud because why do I have these earbuds in? But I've been banging my head against the wall. Hopefully, I'll figure it out in the future. Okay, let's talk about one of my past projects. This is one that I'm really proud of. It is all about spreading happiness. And so basically, I theorized a hypothesis. What if kittens equal happiness? And stay with me for a minute. I know this sounds silly, but I have a couple friends, they are female friends, who just get really excited and happy when they see cute animals. And I was thinking, if this is the case, if cute animals in person, on the internet, make people happy, and we do know that cats thrive on the internet, why don't we just send the cute animals to sad people and make the world a happier place? Like, that was literally my goal. I was thinking, like, if you wanted to make the world happier, you could just do this. And so the plan. Oh, my favorite pop-up. I love this. All right. Um, okay. So basically, the plan is exactly that. Like, literally send images to sad people. And how can you do that? Well, it's the internet. We can use Twitter. Unfortunately, when I implemented this strategy uh, quite a while ago, it didn't work too well. You see, I was using the Twitter API to find people who said that they were sad, and I was using the Twitter API to send them messages with the cat photos. And no bueno, dude. Twitter found Twitter found that out real quick. They realized that was bot-like behavior because you're essentially cold calling people, and I think my account got shut down in like 6 hours or something. So I've revisited this like months later, and I had to come up with a better strategy, and this is what I came up with. All right, so that first little computer is a user account. So you have a developer account that goes through the Twitter API. I'm whipping out the mouse here. So you have a developer account, a Twitter account. You go through the Twitter API, you find sad people. Then you pass the information on the sad people who need to be contacted to a second Twitter account, which tweets through an actual browser and turns the sad people into happy people. And basically, the idea here is you have two accounts, so Twitter will be unable to link the fact that, hey, this person is looking for sad people, and then this totally separate account is actually tweeting at them. And then you're tweeting not through the API where it's easily detectable, but you're tweeting through the browser, so it looks like normal human Twitter behavior. And I thought if you do this, it'll be way harder to, find out that it's a bot. And so I spun this up on AWS. This is actually the project where I learned how to make EC2 instances and such on AWS. I set up the environment. I was using Selenium Server on AWS to basically do that Twitter browser interaction to make the bot look human. Custom messages, you can't use the same message every time because that looks bot-like. So I had custom messages generated using a Markov chain with randomness added in. And then also an extra bit was added to the image of the kitten before it was attached each time to make the hash of the image different. So if they're checking the hashes of the images, it would look like you're uploading different files every single time. So I thought, this is a pretty good system. Let's see what happens. And actually, you can check the GitHub. I described the whole project, but it was awesome. So there's a small subset of people who absolutely hate cats, who were none too pleased, but the vast majority of people, uh, you know, it was really heartwarming. All of the good vibes that I got back from this project. I think the most common responses, other than just praise and like happiness, um, and a lot of people didn't even realize it was a bot, which is funny. But the most common replies, other than praise and happiness, were, "Can I get a puppy?" Or people realizing that this account was sending out kitten pictures and trying, saying like, "Hey, can you send me one?" Or "Can you send like this other friend?" Which unfortunately, you know, the what's it called? The where computers surpass man. I don't. Ugh, I'm blanking on the name. But yeah, unfortunately, my bot is dumb by comparison, so it couldn't do those things. All right, so how are we doing now? So basically, the bot ran for several months. It sent out thousands of tweets. I got hundreds of responses. The account actually had, you know, I don't remember how many, but easily over 100 followers in that time. There was a very consistent average that for every 10 tweets sent out, the bot account would acquire one follower, which is an insane tweet to follower ratio. Um, but unfortunately, it looks like the account was manually reported and it's been kicked offline. So I shut down the Amazon server. I haven't tried. I could probably go in and communicate with Twitter and to try to get the account back, but I'm not sure if I'll bother doing that because even if I do, it's not like they're gonna have their eye on it. They're not gonna let me continue to run it as a bot account. But this was undoubtedly like one of the most fun projects. It was super rewarding. I learned a ton. I learned how to use Amazon, banging my head against the wall, setting up an environment on AWS that would work. Um, and this was just a really fun project. It's also one of the few that I really came up with an idea and saw it totally through, start to finish. It's really easy to learn something, play around with it, maybe do like a half project and whatever. But this was really, you know, kind of unique in that I went the whole gamut of theorizing a possible thing and then creating it and deploying it and making it robust enough that it could run for months in the real world. And that was awesome. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed hearing about this. If you want to see the code or anything, it is a link to my GitHub repo is down below. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.